Let us do UV rule. Okay, ma'am. The same one. So we can. I'm going to do with help of UV rule. Okay. If they give the question for 5 marks, it's better we can apply UV rule. Right, got it. So let us take this RHS right side. RHS alone you can take as I is equal to integral sine x into e power 2x into dx. Right? This is, let us take 3 or something. Okay. So UV rule, UV. Since we know that UV rule is integral UV is equal to U integral V minus integral U dash integral V. So substitute the values I is equal to U sin x integral e to the power of 2x dx minus integral sin x whole dash integral e power 2x dx, again whole bracket into dx u integral v minus integral u dash integral v dx. This dx is belongs to this integral. This dx is related to this integral. Okay, so sin x e to the power of 2x is e power 2x by 2 minus sin x derivative is cos x e power 2x integral is e power 2x by 2 dx. Okay, right. Again uv. Okay, cos x into e power. So sin x e to the power of 2x all divided by 2 minus 1 by 2 is outside. When I take this by 2, 1 by 2. Again, what is u? What is v? This is u, this is v. With help of I late. E is last, so that v, this is u. So uv rule bracket. What is the formula? U. U means cos x integral e to the power of 2x dx minus integral cos x derivative integral e power 2x into dx. Again apply uv rule. U integral v minus integral u dash cos x derivative integral v sin x e to the power of 2x by 2 minus 1 by 2 cos x e to the power of 2x by 2 minus integral minus sin x e to the power of 2x by 2 dx. That's it. Again we got sin x into e power 2x. Again we got the same sign. So what should we do? Again we can apply uv. When I apply uv rule, here sin x derivative we got cos. Again I applied uv rule. Final again integral of this. That see again. Can I apply uv rule again? No, we cannot, because if we go on like that, we'll get infinite number of times. But see here, what is the LHS value? Left side, I is equal to x e power 2x by 2. Okay, I want to multiply with minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 means minus 1 by 4 into 2 minus 1 by 4 cos x e power 2x minus into minus minus into minus plus plus into minus minus. I want to multiply with minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 minus into minus plus plus into minus minus. Okay, here 2 into 2 4, again 4. So again minus 1 by 4 times of integral sin x e to the power of 2x dx. Okay. What shall we do now here? What we will do? Anyone? Again, we'll apply u rule. Again, sin x becomes cos x. Cos x becomes sin x. Okay, it will be repeatedly. So from the equation 3, observe here. From the equation 3, what about this integral value? Shall I replace here this value by I? Same value only. Integral same sin x. So until it's repeating, like until we are getting again sin x equal to x, we can integrate. So when I integrate sin, it becomes cos. Again cos becomes sin. Now again it is equal to I. This 1 by 4 into I minus 1 by 4 into I. Take left side. I plus 1 by 4 I. This is a question somewhat lengthy but easy. So what about this value? I plus 1 by 4. Shall I write 5 by 4 into I? What is the common? Common is common is 4. LCM, take LCM 4. 2 sin x e to the power of 2x minus cos x e to the power of 2x. 4 get cancelled. Now only I value I required, because this value alone required. This is nothing but I value required. So cross multiply 5. So 1 by 5 times of, take e power 2x is common, take it outside. The 2 sin x minus cos x. This is the right side value. This value I value can replace. So finally y into e power 2x is equal to, here e power 2x by 2 sin x minus cos x plus the same answer we got. You can check the answer. Twice we need to apply your UV rule. Twice we need to apply. Until getting sin x, we have to repeat. UV rule I applied twice and I replaced by it. Any doubts here? Clear? Okay, ma. Any other question? Fourth one. Okay. Fourth one. What is the fourth one? Fourth or fifth? Yeah, fourth one. Question. Question. What is the question here? Okay. Tan x. Huh? Simple. Already it is in standard form. Comparing with dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. What is p of x here? What is q of x? Tan x. Right. With help of p of x, first find integrating factor e to the power of integral p of x dx. that is e power integral secant x dx e to the power of secant x formula tan x. Integral secant x is tan x. No. Integral secant x is tan x only, no? No. Then what? Two log secant x plus tan x. Good. So integral secant x formula is log mod secant x plus tan x. Truly clearly remember formulas. Okay. So now this is equal to finally. What about this? Next step. Next. Shall I cancel? So finally secant x plus tan x. This is the log e always get cancelled. Always get cancelled. E power e to the power of integral secant is log e cancelled. Then remaining value alone integrating factor. Okay, second step completed. Next third one is solution directly. What is the formula for solution? Now linear in y, so general solution is y into integrating factor is equal to integral formula. I have written formula. I'm going to substitute integrating factor is secant x plus tan x. Right side secant x plus tan x into what is q of x? Tan x. Tan x into dx plus c compulsory, right? Okay, left side no need to evaluate. Evaluate the integral value in RHS. Okay, anyone? What about this? UV rule? No need. Then first we need to multiply. Okay. When I multiply a secant x into tan x dx, I'm going to write separately tan into tan square x dx. Secant into tan. Okay, now you will no need. Then what is the answer then? What is the formula for integral secant x tan x? Secant x, that's it. This is secant x plus tan square. Tan square. Shall I write secant square? Yeah, there is no formula, so secant square can be written as, sorry, tan square can be written as secant square minus 1 dx. Let's see. 1 plus tan square secant square. So tan square is secant square minus 1. Student, anyone? What is integral secant square? Now again, now tan. What is integral of 1? Integral 1 x plus. This is required answer. Y into secant x plus tan x is equal to secant x plus tan x minus x plus. Once check the answer, same answer they have given. Once again, directly given equation in standard form. I compared, I got P of x, Q of x, then integrating factor, then solution. That's it. Next question. Any question? Fifth one. Yeah. Cos square x dy by this is, I think, very simple question. Okay. Plus y is equal to tan x. Very simple question. First dividing with cos square. Yeah, first dividing with cos square x by cos square x by cos square x. Now, here it is dy by dx. 1 by cos square is tan x by cos square x. Let us take 1. Yes, sir. Now it is clearly in standard form dy by dx plus comparing with p of x into y is equal to q of x. What is p of x? What is q of x? Right. Now integrating factor formula. Right. E power integral. What is p of x? They have given. Yes or no? P of x is secant square x. Right. What is integral secant square? Huh? Tan x. So e to the power of tan x. So this is integrating factor. After integrating factor, same general solution. We have to write the general solution formula. Substitute y into what is integrating factor? E to the power of tan x is equal to integral e to the power of tan x into q of x tan x. Okay, tan x by cos square. 1 by cos square can be written as secant square dx. Okay, students, how can you evaluate this value? UVW formula, integral UVW. What is the formula for integral UVW? Anyone? Integral UVW formula. Yeah. Okay, there are three functions. 1, 2, 3. UVW formula. Yes, anyone? What is the formula for integral UVW? Consider 2 as 1. Okay, two functions as one function. Okay, what are the two functions you want to take as U? Yes. 1 by cos square, then cos cube will get u by the ruler. Yes. Anyone? Boys. Deeply. Simple here. Substitution method. What is tan x? Tan x derivative secant square. Let tan x is equal to t. Now secant tan x derivative secant square x dx is equal to dt. There is no formula for UVW. So this kind of question mostly substitution method is applicable. See, when I take tan x is equal to t, tan x derivative secant square x dx is equal to dt. Substitute here. So this is equal to integral e to the power of t into dt. Any doubts again? Clear? Clear? Okay, now you can apply UV rule because only two functions here. What are the two functions here? What is u? What is v? Yeah, t is algebraic function u. So shall I write this value as t for t? Yes, uv. Apply UV rule. This is actually, otherwise you can remember the formula for x e power x. This formula is x minus 1 e power x. X e power x. So otherwise UV rule. The integral UV rule is what is integral UV rule? So this is equal to t integral e power t dt minus t dash integral e power t dt. Left side is y e to the power of tan x. T e power t is e power t minus, what is the derivative of t? 1. 1 into e power t dt. So y e power tan x is equal to t e power t, t e power t minus. Okay, students, what is again integral e power t? E power t plus. So at last we place tan x, y e power tan x, e power tan x minus tan x plus c. This is the answer. This is the answer. UV rule. Understood? Understood. So now at last, otherwise you may dividing with e power tan x, e power tan x, e power tan x, e power tan x. Y is equal to tan x minus 1 plus c e to the power of, take 1 by tan x is numerator minus tan x. Once again I apply UV rule. U integral v minus u dash integral v. T derivative is 1. Integral e power t is e power t. Again one more integral is there. Again e power t. 1 into e power t, e power t. E power t is e power t. Total how many questions are there? 19. Okay, next question. Next. Question number, yeah, question number 10, question number 11, question number 12. Just round that questions. Not there in the syllabus. Question number 10, 11, 12 and 19. So these questions are belongs to linear in X, not there in the syllabus. Question number 10, 11, 12 and 6, 19. Okay, let us do question number 8 or 9, 10, 11, 12 and 19, 1, 9. Which one will do, 8 or 9? Okay, let us do ninth one. Question number 9. Question number 8 is very easy. Change it to standard form. Question number 9, somewhat lengthy. Okay. Change it to standard form. Change it to standard form and tell me what is P of x, what is Q of x. First, dividing with x. Next, this is important. How can you change it to standard form? What is the standard form? The standard form is dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. Anyone? Y common. If we can take y common. Yes. So dy by dx. If I take y common, here it is 1 by x. Here it is plus cot x into y. Very good. Now this minus 1 take right side, it is plus 1. Now clearly it is in standard form. P of x value. This is P of x value. So P of x is equal to 1 by x plus cot x. And Q of x value is 1. After that, integrating factor. Yes, integrating factor. Formula e power integral P of x so integrating factor is equal to integral P of x dx e power integral 1 by x plus cot x into dx. Yeah. E power, okay, integral 1 by x is log x or minus 1 by x square. Integral 1 by x formula. Yeah, it's log x. Integral cot x log of sin x. Okay, log a plus log b x into sin x. What about e and log? Finally, what is the integrating factor? Integrating factor. Yeah, can cancel x into sin x. Okay, we got integrating factor, the general solution. What is the general solution? Y into integrating factor is equal to integrating factor into q of x into dx plus c. That's all. Now substitute integrating factor x sin x is equal to x sin x into 1 into dx plus c. Q of x value is clearly 1. Order x y sin x is equal to, what is the integral of x sin x? U rule. What is u? What is v? U is x. X or sin x? Okay, u rule. This is u. This is v. Integral u v rule is u integral v minus integral u dash integral v. So x integral sin x dx minus integral x dash integral sin x dx into dx plus. Now left side is x y sin x, right side is x into minus cos x. Integral sign is minus cos x. Minus integral x derivative. 1. 1 into minus sin x into again dx. So this is equal to minus x cos x. Minus into minus plus integral sin x again. Finally, the answer therefore xy sin x is equal to this. You can take left side x cos x is equal to, yeah, this is minus sin minus cos x plus c. What is the answer they have given? Where plus sign is? What is the answer they have given? First to change it to standard form. Integrating factor solution. That's it. Yeah. Here. Yeah. What is your doubt? X okay. Integral sin x formula minus cos x. Minus x dash derivative of x 1. Integral sin is right. Here it is. Very good. Minus cos minus into minus plus cos x. Integral cos is very good. Hmm? Oh, like instead of sx, we can write sin x. Okay, okay. C is looking like a bracket. Right, select any particular question, like particular solution question. Fifteen, okay. Question. Yeah, straight. Comparing with standard form, it is in standard form dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. What is p of x? Firstly, what is p of x? Minus 3 cot x. What is q of x? Okay. Integrating factor is e to the power of integral p of x dx e to the power of integral minus 3 cot x dx. Minus 3 is constant, take it outside. Cot x dx e to the power of minus 3 integral cot log mod sin x. Yeah, m log a. This is in the form of m log a log a power m. Apply this formula. This is m, this is a. See here, integrating factor finally, okay, e to the power of log mod sin x all to the power of minus 3. Now log it down. So finally, what is the integrating factor? 1 by sin cube x. Sin x whole power minus 3 means 1 by sin x whole power 3, that is sin cube x. Got it? Okay, this is integrating factor. Then solution is y into integrating factor is equal to integrating factor q of x dx plus c. This is the formula. In this formula, substitute y integrating factor is 1 by sin cube x, integrating 1 by sin cube x. Cot x is, what is cot x? Or what is q of x? Sin 2x. Sin 2x dx. Okay, what is sin 2x formula? Yeah. You can write 1 by sin cube x 2 sin x cos x dx. Now one sin get cancelled. Sin cube is there, one sin get cancelled. What is the remaining? 2 is a constant, take it outside. 1 by sin square. 1 by sin square shall I write 1 by sin x into cos x by sin x. Remaining one sin get cancelled, sin square. This sin square sin into sin. Cos by sin. 1 by sin. Yeah, 2 times of integral cosecant x into cot x. UV rule. Yes. So direct it is a formula. So y by sin cube x is equal to minus cosecant x plus c. Directly we got. Yeah. Okay, it is a belongs to particular solution. Any initial conditions are given? Yes, substitute here. Y is equal to 2, x is equal to pi by. Okay, pi by 2 means sin cube is 1. Got it? 2 outside. Sin square is a sin square. I have written sin into sin. Cos is there. Cos by sin is cot. 1 by sin cosecant. This is directly formula. That is minus cosecant x. Now y is equal to, what is the y value they have given? Okay, y value 2. Substitute here. When I substitute 2 by 1 is equal to minus 1 plus c. Cosecant 90 also 1. Sin 90 is, oh sorry, minus 2 times. Okay, voilà. Okay. After the class, you can take one. Not a chocolate. Sin 90 is 1. The answer is C value again substitute here, that is a particular solution. Completed. Can I rub the board? Okay, students, will wind up the class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.